Well, it is Friday and I am back in the office. I was actually not in criminal court today. I was at a hearing on a 303 petition. I did a blog article on 303. Actually, it's on section 302, involuntary commitment. In the article, I detail the details regarding what it takes to have a person involuntarily committed. And what the 302 petition does is allows a facility to hold someone against their will for 120 hours. Following that, there's a procedure under section 303, 304, and 305 to extend that petition. Now, with that said, in the article, I detail various aspects of what the Commonwealth has to establish. Remember that this particular petition is done at the county level, and the county is represented by the solicitor's office, not represented by the DA's office. That is not a criminal action, but nevertheless, a person's liberty is being taken for a short period of time. A person is entitled to representation, and that was the point of the blog article. In addition, put out a blog article regarding the sentencing update in Pennsylvania with regards to the guidelines. Yes, the guidelines have changed, and criminal defense lawyers and prosecutors need to familiarize themselves with the updates, because we use those updates not only following a trial, but at the pretrial level to advise clients on various aspects of a case, including plea negotiations, and to evaluate plea offers, and also talk about the clients about open pleas. Remember that a negotiated plea is a sentence that the Commonwealth and the defense have discussed and have agreed upon. The court still has to approve it, but most situations the court will approve it. With regards to opening sentencing, that is a situation where the judge determines the sentence. Normally, judges will refer to guidelines. They can depart either upwards or downwards on the guidelines, but when they do that, typically they're more subject to be overturned on appeal, and judges don't like that. But with that said, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The website, GamboneLaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for your family. All of my books, my blogs, and videos are available there in one convenient format. It's been a busy week for our law firm. I did a bail hearing at 1 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday. So it's been a little bit of a different week. Was in criminal court, as we always are, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, but had the opportunity to go in and represent a client today, which was a unique opportunity. But nevertheless, our law firm frequently has to represent people in difficult situations, and this was certainly one. With regards to our e-update, went out today to over 4,000 of our current and former clients. I'm going to link in the articles that I wrote in the update. In addition, I'll put a link to the e-update. Again, it's a fantastic resource to have it going in your weekend. Remember, it is the weekend. It is Mother's Day weekend. I understand that a lot of people will be out and about taking their mothers out. Unfortunately, my mom is having some health situation, and we're hoping that she gets better real quick. But we're going through that now. But to all those whose mothers are hopefully doing well and are in good health, I wish you a happy Mother's Day. Finally, if you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey, do not refuse the chemical test. It will never help your criminal case. If you are stopped, do not give consent to search the vehicle or your person. Be polite, be respectful to the officer. You are not obligated to tell the officer where you're going or you've been. Simply obligated to give your license, registration, proof of insurance, and that is it. If the officer says that he's going to arrest you, if you don't give the information, then to be honest with you, let him arrest you. Let your attorney fight that battle in court. Do not do anything to jeopardize your criminal case. Obviously, do not put your hands on the officer. He or she is just doing their job. Be polite, be respectful. But once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great Friday. Have a great weekend. Again, happy Mother's Day. And I'll talk to you all very soon.